Right, I'm going to tell you about relationships and if you're evolving and your partner is not evolving, even if it's the guy or the woman, doesn't matter. Basically, you will feel that, and when you change and you see that the other person can't change, your mind, body and soul will slightly take themselves away from that, and you could possibly leave. But if you want to stay in a relationship, basically what you need to do is you need to take tours out for yourself, not for you and your partner, for yourself, at least once a day, and then spend extra time a week if you've got family and kids together. Every single week trying new things, be creative. So yeah, if you want to evolve and you get to a stage where you're evolving really quick and your awareness is high and your third eye is open, you will lose a lot of friends, and you'll lose people that are real, and you'll lose people that's hurt you. When you get aware and you're with someone that's already hurt you when it was out of order and it shouldn't have happened, I don't know if it's